All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're doing a straight up speed test on the Verus versus Autel. Now, I just got this Autel. I like it. It's replacing my Autel Mini that I've had for a number of years, and went with a new one instead of updating it. So if you watch my 18.4 video on the Verus, you know how updating can go sometimes. But anyway, the Mini was getting old, so I went ahead and upgraded. Straight up speed test. All we're going to do is hook to the vehicle, which in this case is my 2012 Chevy Silverado, and we're going to do an auto scan. We're going to do a VIN detect, we're going to do an auto scan, and we'll see how they go live. Nothing, no holds barred. It'll be completely live. You'll see me on camera plugging it up, hitting the buttons, and we'll compare them. I'll see them when I edit. You'll see them when you watch this video because I didn't time them. I just did them. So we'll see who wins. But time is money in this business, and a scan tool taking a while to hook up can take some time. Now, the Autel asked for a little more information than the Verus, but it gave me more systems on the Autel. So kind of tells you something, doesn't it? Hope you liked the video. Here you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like the video? Give me a thumbs down. Maybe you prefer Snap-on over Autel. Maybe you prefer Launch. Let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.